Again. What is that? What do you see?
I see a frog.
What else?
Skittles. And two new things. Can I open it?
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Tell me.
And a rabbit right there. Can I open all of these? And new bubbles.
Oh, bubbles too?
Mama, can you open this by yourself?
Are you ready? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to open it.
Who brought that for you?
Gigi?
Did Gigi send that to you? What do you say to Gigi?
Thank you, Gigi. I love you. I love you, Gigi.
Oh, what? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm going to play with you.
Oh, you are, huh?
Whoa! Look at the stuff there. Look at the stuff there.
Oops.
Whoa!
What is it? What is that? What does that look like? What is that? Everything's all taped together. You want me to take it apart?
Mm-hmm.
All right, hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Look, Mama, new Easter eggs.
New Easter eggs?
New them.
No way.
I'm so excited, Mama.
You are? Why are you so excited?
Because you gotta take these off.
All right, hold on. Hang on a second. I'm trying to find something tall enough to set this on. All right, let's try this. You ready? Okay, hold on.
Are you ready to open this?
I am ready to open it. Okay, here it comes. You're so silly.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. Let's get the plastic off first. Oh! Here's one thing. Set them all on the table.
What's in this thing?
That is called Dum Dum Pops. They're like lollipops.
Yeah, but they're not lollipops.
Well, they are lollipops.
Yeah.
But they're just a different kind of lollipop.
Yeah, they're new lollipops.
What's this?
Skittles?
Skittles.
What's that?
Oh, you know what? The frog is attached to this.
Tree.
What is that?
It's a tree.
It's like your own water bottle. Look at that. Oh, that's froggy. It's like piggy bank.
Yeah, it's a piggy bank.
Oh, so's the rabbit.
Like that.
Look at that.
A rabbit. What's in this thing?
It's just really heavy. It's for putting your money in it to save your money.
Oh,
So you can save up for the things that you want to buy.
yeah.
Here, set it like that. What does this look like? What does that look like?
Bowl.
Oof!
Mama,
Ooh, you know what this is?
what?
Lemon candies.
Ooh.
Ooh, sour candies.
I don't like sour candy.
Yes, you do.
Mama.
Apple candies. Here. Got it. Got it.
They're bubbles.
I see that. Oh, Pez. Look, it's your first Pez.
Wow. Is this candy?
It is.
Mama, look.
What is that?
It's crayon.
will. Let's get everything out first. Oh, do you know what this is? What is this? I don't think you know what this is.
What is it?
This is a jump rope.
Jump rope.
Oh boy.
Jump rope.
That tape on.
Mama,
That is
can
a
you
jump
open
rope.
these?
There's one more thing.
What is that?
This is a paddleboard game.
Can we play it?
I'll show you. I'll maybe hit myself in the head with it, but I'm going to try.
A ball.
It comes with a ball, that's right. All right, you ready? Watch. You're like this. You ready? Are you ready? Wait. Oh! Yeah, not too good at it. I think I'm supposed to go up and not down. What do you think? How do you know? You don't know.
Mama.
Well, I think Daddy's going to be better at this than I am.
Mama, can you open these?
All right, hold on a second. All right, let me see. Coming up.
I'm so excited, Mama. I'm very excited.
You're very excited. You should be. This is some cool stuff. Good job.
Woo!
Here you go.
Ooh, look.
Look at that.
Come out.
It does.
Some lollipops.
Look, you have a very beautiful Easter basket too. You can put trains in this.
Yeah, trains and stuff.
And stuff. Oh, it's always good for and stuff. And there's a card from Gigi. You want to open the card? Let's open your card.